Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love reading, Scorpios. Let's see what's coming up, guys. Okay, guys, I'm just going to spread out this deck, okay, and okay, I'll just spread out the deck. I've shuffled and I'll be randomly picking up cards for you guys, okay. Okay. Okay, the second card. Let's pick one more card. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So today you'll be planning to do something creative, okay, and you'll be thinking over about what's been happening in your life, okay, and it's the time for you to let go of your negative energies, guys. So whatever has been happening is happening, has happened already, okay. Past is past, so you need to let go of that, okay. Overcome all the negative energy, unwanted thoughts, okay, regarding your past. Past is not going to help us in any way, guys, okay. When you keep thinking repeatedly about the past, what has happened in the past, okay, it's just going to cause more pain for you, okay, and it's going to cloud your mind, so you won't be able to see what is happening in the present clearly, okay. All your vision of things happening today will be overshadowed by your thoughts, guys. So you need to give up all the negative energy, okay. And in order to do that, you should try to control your mind, guys. You should try to understand that all the experiences happen for a reason, okay, and we learn so many valuable lessons from our experiences, guys. So you need to understand that, so there's no need to feel a grudge or feel sad or what to say, mm, angry towards anybody who has caused that situation. So instead of that, you can just understand what has happened, okay, and let go the sad memories but not the lessons, guys. We should understand the lessons we learned, okay. So there is no it will be better for us, so next time we will not do the same mistakes again, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here. So you may be doing something creative today, okay. You may be taking up art, some kind of art form, okay, whatever you're interested in. It will help you a lot to divert, guys, to divert yourself, okay. It will be a great influence for you to grow emotionally, okay. So you can take up some activity, art, any kind of art, okay. It's going to help you a lot. And you have to have the courage to voice out your ideas and beliefs, guys. You don't have to go with the other person's views, okay, obey them implicitly, okay. You have the right to voice your thoughts and views, okay. And you don't have to be abrupt or arrogant about anything. but you can say about you can talk in a friendly manner, okay. You can communicate in a friendly manner with your person or with the people in your life, okay, with whoever you have the situation today, okay, and you can both together make the choice, guys. So that way you will listen to the other person and they will also listen to you, okay, and it helps you both connect deeply with each other, okay. So it will bring about good understanding between you all. So that is the energy I'm getting here, guys. So today is the day you're going in for better understanding, okay. Both of you are this may be your energy or your person's energy, okay. So past is past, guys. So it's time for the new now, okay. So start fresh with your person, talk to them freely, okay, and talk to them the truth in your heart, okay, openly, and you can come to a better understanding with each other, okay. So that is the energy I'm getting here. Let me pick out 3 more cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Okay, coffin, ring, child. Okay, guys. Okay, Scorpios. So today you may feel inexperienced, okay. You don't know how things will turn out, okay. Regarding your situation, you're scared how things will go about, okay. You don't know how to decide. Today you may you may not realize till now, okay, guys, what you had in your hands. There's a proverb that says one in hand is better than two in the bush. So it just means like what you have in hand is better than what you will imagine yourself having in the future, okay. So uh, but you're feeling scared and you're feeling inexperienced, okay, based on your past memories and hurt. You're feeling scared, guys. So you're not ready to step into the commitment, okay. Maybe you're very much afraid to take that step or leap of faith, okay. So commitment is an act. It needs great strength, guys, to stay totally focused in a decision, okay. So you're really scared today. You don't know how to go step forward, okay, without the fear, without anxiety, okay. And today maybe for some of you all, you have made your choice, okay. This may be the ending of anxious time, guys. Maybe you're ending your anxiety and fears regarding the future today. Maybe that may be the energy. Maybe you're deciding to move forward, okay, giving up your anxious thoughts, insecure emotions, okay, feelings, whatever you had, okay. So that may be the energy, guys. So you need to think for yourself, guys. Stay calm and think within yourself what is good, okay. How you can take it forward, whether you really want to, okay. So when you stay quiet and think deeply, you will clearly get the answer, guys. So it's past is past, guys. It's time for the new now. So you have to let go of your past hurt, okay, and move forward with your life. That is the energy I'm getting here, Scorpios. Thanks for watching, guys. And the slogan for today is freedom is love, guys. So to be free in in words, in action, okay, to be able to be do everything freely, okay, is love. And when you allow your person to do that, it is love, guys. So when you that freedom comes only when you trust the other person, okay. So that is the thought for the day today. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video, Scorpios. I'll be giving out another reading tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned. Bye, Scorpios.